guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sofie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I was super inspired by warm tones and I have been creating looks based off of color wheel, and today's color was red, so I didn't want to necessarily do an all red look, but I wanted to really pull some red tones out. So this is the look that I came up with. If you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing, as always, I am priming with concealer. If you don't prime with concealer yet, highly recommend you try it. It really cancels out those dark circles and it just gives you a really nice even base, and I feel like my eyeshadow holds up way better when I put my eyeshadow over concealer than like a translucent type eyeshadow primer, so definitely try it out. For today's palette, I'm going into my Morphe X James Charles palette, and as always guys, you can reference the description box for all the product details down below. First thing I did was I went into the orange shade and I just buffed that into my crease, and then I picked up my angled brush and the red shade in the palette, and I'm just carving out a line of definition right in the center of my crease. And like I always say guys, if you need a map on where to apply that line, you could always apply it with your eye open. I have semi-hooded eyes, so I like to apply it a little bit higher and give myself a little bit more lid space. And this definitely gets better with time. It took me a while to get my shape down, so I feel like practice is the best way to really nail that. And then I went into my small tapered brush and I went into the lighter red shades in the palette, and I just went in left and right motions over top of that line to blend it. And then I just carved my lid with some concealer. The concealer that I've been using is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. And then I went into this Colourpop Jelly Much shadow in the shade Bouquet, and I'm just packing this all over the lid. And then I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose glitter in the shade Pink Sapphire, and I did go in with a line of glitter glue first, and the glitter glue that I've been using is the NYX one, and then I just grab the glitter on the brush and apply it over the line of glitter glue. Really makes sure that that glitter really sticks on that glue and it doesn't go everywhere. And then I'm going back into my small tapered brush and the red shade in the palette, and I just buff that onto the outer corner. And then I'm grabbing an angled brush once again and I went into the black shadow, and I'm just doing a line kind of like I would do liner. So I'm going to do a smoky liner just on that outer corner, and then I grabbed a pencil brush with the darkest brown shadow in the palette and I went in left or right motions over top of that to blend it. Ignore how ratchet my nails look. One of them broke, so I decided to cut them all off. I have to soak them off with acetone still. So yeah, they look pretty crazy right now. Then I'm just concealing and setting my under eye, and then for lashes I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes, and the link to check out our lash company will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm just grabbing the smudger brush and the first orange shade that we went into, and I'm just applying this to my lower lash line, and then I'm grabbing my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal mascara and coating my lower lashes. And then last but not least, I'm going to grab my Pixie highlight and hit that inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. I thought I would keep it really simple on the lower lash line since we have so much going on up top, but I absolutely love the way that this look turned out. It was so much fun creating it. And yeah, thank you so much for everyone that's been taking the time to comment on our videos, leaving really nice messages. It really means the whole entire world to me. It always makes my day whenever I read the comments, so thank you so much to everyone that's been showing a lot of love and support. I hope you guys are all doing really well and holding up really well. It's crazy times we're living in right now, but this is my nice little getaway, and I hope that our videos can be that for you guys. But yeah, this is pretty much it for today's tutorial. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to check out our vlog channels. I'm really trying really hard to be consistent on there, so hopefully you guys can check out that channel if you want to support me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!